take some base hit. Some base hit. Damn, why my monster tastes weird. Yeah. Fuck. Something's wrong with my fucking energy drink. Doesn't taste the same. Fuck. No, it's a monster. It doesn't taste the same, bro. Like something is wrong with it. It tastes weird, bro. The fuck? What the put in this? It doesn't taste the same. I want to throw up right now because of taste. What the fuck it is? I drink Monster like a lot, and it never tastes like this before, bro. Shit. We have people using Bookmap right now, so I'm not gonna be able to put it up for y'all. But hell yeah, we taking payout, baby. Payout on this account, 2K. Let's fucking go. And we just take base hit on this account. Trying to go live, baby. Let me see how many more. Yeah, 2K ready to take out. But for this account, I need 3 more days. Dude, I don't know. It just tastes weird, bro. It doesn't say zero sugar. It's just like original, but like it tastes so weird, bro. Like I want to throw up so bad. Like what the fuck? What's wrong with my drink? Ah, wasted 15 minutes of try, bro. Come on now. Hold on, I gotta pull up the chat on my phone because you know, I'm streaming Bookmap on Discord right now, and I cannot pull the chat box on my second monitor, so I gotta pull it on my phone. Nephew, come on now. Shit. Do I know you do? Come on. Bro, it's been too long, bro. But Nick always come back stronger, you know, Apaka? Nick be killing it, baby. I took like 10K the past week. About to take another 2K out. Dude, you know, last month, I was just two Alpaca, but I know I can do this shit, you know? Fuck. But I blew one of my alpha and that account I'm about to go to live, but I blew that shit, bro. Fucking shit. I took 3 payouts from it, so it's all good. Mall of shit. Look at this calendar, and then it was just like so. The market was so bad, and I was not being disciplined, so I blew it in 3 days. Fuck me. Come on. But no worries, cause we finna go live with Topstep. Come on now. I gotta get to live right here, bro. Gotta be a live trader. You know? Hold on, let me pull up my stream. Why can I pull it up? Give me 1 second, y'all. Alright, here we go. What do you mean, like, I fucked up? How am I so consistent? It's just like over time experience, you know? But before that, I was not consistent at all. Oh, and today with this trade, it's just one trade. I took out the low volume note right here. Took took profit just right here. I don't. My TV was right here, but I don't want to go for a home run. I feel like base hit is the best way to stay consistent. I got in around this low volume note, and also it is like 50% mark if I remember of the fib, which is a lot confluence. Stick with me. Yeah, above like just around 50%, 0.618. It's pretty good error to short. And just quick base hit trade today, and I'm done. Still, for one mini, it's just a base hit, bro. You know. Oh, I just purchased a 150K account yesterday. We halfway done, baby. Fucking 80%. Damn, Doom, you got student? Shit, what's up, man? Yeah, welcome to the vid community. Come on, man. Just purchase our 50K account halfway done. No longer with the fucking 50K account. We're up, we up the game. We cannot stick with the fucking 50K forever. We gotta level up. I'm gonna run fucking 10K week next week. Damn, bro, you failed your eval. Fucking rip. But hey, I'm gonna take my payout. Shit. Duh. You know? Hold on, how much I'm taking? I'll take 2052. I'll take the max. 90 profit is split, of course. 2052, right? Just wanna make sure. Alright. Bang, another payout, baby. So this month so far is like 4 payout. November 2, but last month I was 2. Come on now, baby. With me taking payout. Alright, I'm gonna trade on this account today then. I have 2K drawdown after taking out the payout. Everything transparency, people in my Discord, they see my ups and downs, you know. But when I'm down, I recover pretty quickly. Like, I get back up quickly, bro. Like, in order for me to achieve all of this, like, I had to do micros, bro. Like, to step back slowly, like to recover my confidence. Because back then, like, I was just taking 10K per week and doing really big size. Dude, how you deal with this tax? Of course you're gonna get taxed, bro. You just have to. Oh, also let me put my alpha code on the screen. I am now a fucking alpha fucking super affiliator. So use my code. And also I do giveaways every month. So if you use my code to purchase an account, I'll give you entry on a giveaway. The more accounts you buy, the higher chance you're gonna win in a giveaway. You know. Also, I took 3 payouts from one Alpha Tix account, which is the one I blew. Fuck, I almost go to live right there. But market like consolidate hard, bro. Use my code, y'all. Nikki. Nikki is the code. I get 10% commission, so $7 per account. Ha. I need to make like a banner and then put it on stream. Like a alpha banner. Dude, they pay out really quickly, bro. Usually, last time I took the payout with Topstep and Alpha at the same time, Alpha pay ahead of time, bro. Like, pay before Topstep pay me, bro. Where would I put it? Just above the low volume zone right here. But I was risking like 700. I want it to be safe, so I'll put it somewhere right here. So it's a base hit. It's not like a crazy trade. What you mean no props? What you mean? Prop firm's gonna get banned or what? What you mean no props? What you mean no props, bro? No, don't ban prop firm, bro. Let me milk them. On this funded next, live account, I'm currently down 500. Fucking shit. But it's all good. It's a CFD account, bro. You know, I swing trade on it. I have 5K in drawdown, so $500. It's nothing. She. Oh yeah, we're taking payouts. Fucking 3 more days for this account. Dude, like the last couple days, I blew 4 funded. Be- like in this fucking chops, I blew 4 funded. But of course, those account I've already taken payouts from, and I don't have that much drawdown, like 1K, and the market's just too chop for me to play small size and get huge profit. Yeah, I'm done trading for the year, man. I'ma just trade on my combine for now. So I have this 50K to work on and 150K. So first save 4,500. This one 1,500. Just 2 minutes trade. I usually just do quick trade, bro. This one yesterday, most of my trades like sometimes 15 minis. With precise, I'm pretty precise. Fucking 80% win rate. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, y'all. Dude, not play 5 at the time, bro. Dude, I play one at a time and I can take a lot of payouts. When I play a lot, I cannot. When I play like fucking 550K, maybe I got a little bit of emotion. Damn, this monster still tastes weird. Fuck. Yeah, it's 10.99. So basically, with the tax, it's like you a individual like worker. Like you a self-employed, and tax you got do it on your own. So I'm gonna include all of my prop firm fees, or let's say electricity or anything into tax, so I can reduce some of the profit out. And next year I'm planning to open like LLC for prop firm LLC, so I can track all of my prop firm profit and stuff like that. And I mean, like, I can reduce a lot way more tax. Though what you study, it's just experience the market. Like, you gotta train your eyes. Like, you gotta know when to stop trading for the day. Like, like, I'm a discretionary, how do I say it? This I forgot the word. The fuck. Basically, I'm a fucking flexible trader. So like, I don't take trades based on rules. So I take trades based on what I've seen before, like pattern. I train my eyes to see that pattern, and I take it. So like, you know, let's say I don't have like the same rules for every trade. It's just like whatever I see, and it makes sense, I'll take it. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's the word. I don't have rules for my trade. I train my eyes to be like flexible. So like in every situations of the market, I know what to do. I know what to do in a consolidation market. I know what to do in the trending market. I don't have a set of rules. So if let's say if it's a trend day with like a rules based trader, they're not gonna fully capitalize the whole move. But I yesterday I capitalized the whole short. Like fucking short from top to the bottom, bro. Like this is the short I took yesterday on NQ. I call it out for Ray, but like I was not live yesterday to call it out for everyone, you know. But let me show y'all the short I was taking. Yeah, I took short from top. Dude, I'm 21 and I'm new to trading. I started trading April, I think. I'm new to trading. I'm pretty new to trading. Maybe I have good skill, but psychology wise, I think I need more experience. Sometimes I get a little bit emotional for real. Thanks, man. Yeah, that was a really good short. Like I took it from top to the bottom, like which is a lot. We got dude, y'all join the Discord. Join the Discord. Have some fun with us in the Discord. It's free. Damn, bro, you've been trading for 6 years. Dude, I'll get there one day, bro. But you know, right now, strategy is not a thing for me. All I need to focus on is psychology. You know, control myself. Because being as a flex trader, like you could easily overtrade if if you don't control yourself. You know. That's why I just take 500 and locked out. I fucking take profit right here. You know, just right at the key zone. What are plans for tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm not trading, y'all. I'm taking fucking holiday break, bro. As I say, after today's payout, I'm done. Cause I don't like the price actions recently, you know, and I need to know when to not trade. Hold on, let me slap Alpha Future code, my code on the stream. Let me do that real quick. Give me 1 second, y'all. Alpha is running like Alpha is running promotions right now. So if you use my code for standard account, you buy one get one free. And dude, Alpha is legit. So I've taken payout from them. That's why I'm suggesting it to y'all, you know. But I know a lot of people do use Alpha too. What should I put, y'all? What should I put? What's a cool way to promote the code, y'all? What should I say? What should I say? Yeah, straight chop lately for real. What's a fun way to promote my code? Give me some you know, creative. Yeah, of course, bro. I failed so many times. Like fucking accounts. Shit. 167 total accounts. It's a long journey since April, bro. But I recently got consistent since September. But back then I was just like blowing eval, you know? Most of the accounts are evals. And then like you see like I pass funded more and more. You can see that. Just grow over time. You know, you cannot just get payout on the fucking first account, bro, unless you are so good at trading. Dude, this is transparency, bro, but I've taken more money than my fucking fees. Probably 20K by now, bro. On Topstep alone, bro. Of course, I have other firm too. Boonox, Top One, Funded Next, Tradify. You know. So my first ever pass XFA was. Yeah, I'ma just lap the code next time I stream, bro. Cause I feel like I just wanna talk to y'all right now. Fucking no one's gonna use the code, bro. Fuck that code. Use it later when you have a chance. So my first ever pass account is April, as you can see. That's when I first trading. But you can see like back then I don't pass that many accounts. Most of them I fell. You see, I passed once a month, but I fell a lot. And then like, I started passing more and more. Now to the point that I'm consistent. It's a long journey. Yeah, my first language is Viet. You guys have any questions, just let me know. Damn. First payout on this account done. Just something light. 3 more payouts on this to become live on these 2 accounts. So, dude, I was max funded, but I blew 4 last week. I blew 4 account, 2 on Alpha and 2 on Topstep. Like, teach me what? Teach me trading? Just some light, sir. Some light. Teach me trading? No. My parents don't trade. My parents don't know nothing about trading. Who brought me into trading is actually my brother, bro. Like he's an entrepreneur. So at first I was trying to dropship and stuff like that, but you know, it's all right. But dude, and then I found Profum. I gave it a try, bro. In the first 3 months, like I'm down a lot, bro. But like I was till as fuck too when I first started. Like I was just gamble, and then over the time, when I see a lot of money coming out of my bank, bro, I told myself that I got locked in. So like basically, I wrote everything down in this diary, so I can know my journey, like how's what I've been through, and it was really tough. It's a tough journey for sure, bro. You know, people say, "Well, how I learned so fast?" Because I burned money. The fastest way to learn something is like fucking you gotta lose money. You gotta step out of your fucking safety zone. You gotta step out of your box. You cannot be just. That's why like people see me as a fucking fearless trader. I don't care. If I see my setup, I'll take that shit. I don't care about the loss. No, I don't cry in the shower. I don't cry at all, but like I be fucking talking to myself like and just being negative as fuck. But I never cried to be honest. But I was a lot in debt too because of prop firm. And over the time I told myself I got locked in, bro. If I'm keep being a fucking gambler, bro, I'll never make out of this, bro. It's gonna be a cycle. So I gotta get out of that cycle. you know, and I take baby step, break by break. People see me look. So this is my alpha, you know. I, last month I took 10K payout, but I was till, so I blew a lot of fees on it. Profit again, so you know I had to step back onto fucking micros. But I used to do like 5 minis on a 50K account, bro. You see, it's all just micros and base hit, and I take like more than 4K on one account. Yo, like, but you know, trading is tough. You know, people who are not willing to lose money will not ever fucking be success in trading. You got able to lose money during the trade too. Like, you got be able to have lose money, have a good stop loss to make money. You cannot just fucking just want to make money without risking anything. You know, it's that's not how the market work, bro. You want to make a lot of money, you gotta risk a lot of money. You know, so people think like it's easy, like, oh yeah, I just risk. It's only $50 a month, and I'll get a lot of payout. Dude, it's not like that, bro. Dude, W sir, bro, sir. Yesterday he took a big trade, bro. He ups like 9K, I think. I was in the short earlier, you know. Dude, sir was up fucking 7K yesterday. This motherfucker run insane, dude. Dude, I don't do options anymore, to be honest, bro. I just do futures trading. Fuck, the monster tastes weird. Let me put on some music. Just real quick. Option decays. I mean, like, you know, before you buy your fucking options, you gotta know there's a decay. It's the name of the game, bro. Like, you know, there's pros and cons between options and futures. Futures, you get more emotional than options. Unless options you do zero DT, like intraday trading, I don't know. But usually I do like 1 week to 2 weeks, you know. So the reason why I took the short there on, you know, and Q is it is previous weekly Vanilla high retest right here. We bounce off from POC, come back to Vanilla high, so I took a quick short right here. Look, this is how you can use fucking volume profile chart to fucking bottom and top tick. POC, yesterday, we came down. This is previous week POC. Fucking like you catch a bottom right there. Vanilla high, fucking top tick. Volume profile, bro. You know, all of my trades, there's gotta be a reason why I entry. It's above 50% fucking, you know, zone from this area. It's in a low volume node. It's at Vanilla high, and we have selling momentum since yesterday. So you know, it's not gonna V-shape, but we gotta have at least reaction. So I capitalize based on this small reaction move. You know, it's basically a continuation trade on a bigger time frame. You know. You know, like if you take a trade, you gotta know why you take the trade, right? I know why I take my trade. What do you mean, like if I can't sim trade? trying to trade on my eval right here. But market's just chop right now, so you know, let's be patient a little bit here. Dude, sir, like, dude, the pop up doesn't scare me at all, bro, because I know I gotta have trust in my fucking setup, bro. You know, if I get in, bro, then I gotta trust it, bro. You know, like it was so fucking bullish, but I gotta trust my setup. I gotta trust my level. You know, look, the moment when I took that short, I mean that short, yeah, it was bullish as fuck. But I trust my fucking setup. I trust my analysis. You know, so that's what when I first take it, I call it out for everyone. It's bullish as fuck, right? I don't give a fuck. I trust my setup. You know, you gotta trust your setup. And then what? A play out, baby. It play out. You know. Yeah, I lost $7 and got out. 750, we have 71 orders waiting to get filled. And then um here's some of the keys on for y'all based on previous day. You know what happened in the order flow yesterday. So make sure you put this on your chart. So yesterday we have a huge order, 300 contracts entry at 770. So mark that out. You know, when price come back up there, if we do come back up there, there's gotta be reactions because that was a big wells fucking getting a big order right here, so they're gonna try to defend that. So 300 orders, this is market order, you know, so it's pretty aggressive. So that's your key level. And also 750 right now, we have 71 orders waiting. So let's see if price gonna go towards that. But 770 is definitely a key zone because yesterday we had 300 orders getting right there. And then we just flush down. So that should be your supply zone right there, you know? Supply zone right here. If we do get up there, you would get a top tick for real. It's gonna be a top tick trade, baby. How's everyone doing tonight, though? It's just for me. I don't want to get copyright, bro. We chilling. Y'all chilling? No. So after that short, you know, markets just chop a little bit right here. I'm gonna wait right here. I took profit just right at the key zone right here. Hold on, let me post my payout and profit on Discord. You know, always gotta keep things transparency. If you're not in my Discord, hop in my Discord. Here's my link tree. You know, include all the links. I'm gonna share out the link for y'all. I'm gonna put it in the description next time though. I was gonna take a short right here, but I guess I was not confident with this because I volume pretty low. I was gonna take a short around here at the 710, right close there. It's all good though. Just a quick scap back down into here, you know. 300 bucks, 2 minis. I have my personal account. I do have my personal account. But this week I'm not trading on personal or anything until on my until the end of December. I don't like this P8, so it's gonna be risky to trade on personal. I'm not gonna trade on my funded, not gonna trade on personal. I'm just gonna work on my eval for now. So I'm basically taking a holidays break right here. I don't like this price action at all. Let's see if we can find a trade. But market is barely moving right now. When market's low volume, I prefer to take trade at low volume, like key zone, than like take trade in the middle of nowhere. I take a quick scalp right here. 692. Let's see. Oh shit. I'm gonna hit my limit buy. Let's see how much I'm risking. Probably 300 bucks. Oh, thanks for the sub. The fuck? Thanks for the sub, man. Yeah, man. Trying to take a buy. Grab the buyers that brought this move up before at the 692 on my book map on my order flow too. Risking like 200 bucks for 600 or possibly more. We do pull up. Come on, pull down. Give me a bottom tick tray. 300 or 700 bucks right here. Or more. Maybe even 1500. If we can pull up here, but probably not. Dude, the markets just don't move. How y'all trading with this market? Unless, you just have to get in good price. We'll limit buy and just wait for price to run. But you cannot like take, you know, active trades like just market buy and sell right now. Or market sell is a lot of spread. The spread is huge right now. Feel me in? Come on, give me a bottom tick. Bottom tick, baby. Yeah, it's so slow. We pull up this high, I'm gonna go break even. Thanks for the sub to Gotch. We gonna flush these buyers or not? Dude, look at this, bro. The 1 minute candle just don't move at all, bro. Fuck. Come on, move, move. My stop loss is just right under this big buyers. So if I do get stop out, it's kind of invalid right here with the long. Dude, this is why I just want to take base hit on this account. Because I want to take base hit like when we got good move. Then I just take base hit right at the key zone. I don't want to deal with all of this shit, all of this bullshit. This is why after today's payout, I'm locked out, on all of my accounts. And only trade evals. See if I can run 1500. I don't think so. I'ma just keep trolling. It's like 1 to 5. Dude, it's been like 3 minutes and the chart moving 5 ticks. 1 point within. It's been like 3 minutes. Come on now, bro. When am I gonna pass the account? Yeah, I'm buying just right at this buyers right here, the big buyers right here. We have absorptions of the sellers down here, you know. Um, and we're acting off of this key zone. So let's see if we can get, buyers defend right here, and then like we pull back up right here, and then sellers might hop in around right here, you know. But if I try out, this should be a low volume node right here, you know. We were acting off of it, and I'm just taking entry based on the buyers, the guys who brought this move up. Yeah, it's useful, man. But you can see buyers like defending, like like where my entry, like if we get below those buyers, it's gonna probably flush down here, you know. So I can have a tight stop loss, you know. It's pretty useful. What's the best way to approach your payout on Topstep, bro? I mean, like consistent. You gotta know what you're doing to take payouts, because like in order to take consistent payouts, it requires you to not just like one huge day, but you gotta consistently have winning days, right? Because you need minimum of 5 winning days for a payout, you know. What a good stop loss right here. Yeah, go base it. Look, this is how I secure my payouts. Base it, you know, and this was my alpha. I took 3 payouts on one account. Base hit, you know. I don't go big, and then like price action's been just really bad, and I blew it. But base hit. This one I run a little bit, crazy, but today I took a base hit to just secure the payout, get out the market. What a stop loss, y'all. No, it's not in low RR, low size. You do low size. I don't have RR, but my win rate is pretty high, you know. I care more about win rate than RR. So basically I'll just get in a trade and then I'll get whatever the market gives me, you know. So I just keep trailing my profit, instead of like have a fixed RR, you know. Sometimes I get a 1 to 10. W stop loss? Come on now. Now you gotta go up, bro. It's a W stop loss. Now it's a W trade, right? Base hit doesn't mean low R. It's just like mean like you play small size and you're not being greedy. You take like small days and call it a day, you know. Dude, just get above this high. I'm gonna try to break even. Why the market is not moving? Yo, what's up, Ray? I don't know. I used to smoke weed, but I don't smoke it anymore. I mean, like smoking weed, like I don't get any abilities. I just feel enjoy, and that's it, bro. But the reason why I don't smoke it anymore is because it makes me sleep a lot, and in the morning I wake up kind of tired. I feel like I don't sleep enough. Dude, if I go back then, bro, first thing I'll do is like, you know, not rush fucking evals, like not spend a tons of money when you don't have a payout yet, and focus on your trading more than like, okay, I have to stack up fund it, you know. Because back then I was being greedy as fuck. I was like, damn, I just need this funded, and then I'll get everything back, you know. And second thing, probably like invest a little bit more in at the beginning. I was not getting any course or anything, so later on I found Coach Aaron on Topstep, and I've learned a lot from him. So instead of fucking losing money in the market, maybe invest the money in yourself first, like to get the knowledge. And third, um, definitely stick to one strategy, because at the beginning I was just like a strategy hopper. And the one thing I didn't know is that like it's not about my strategy, but it's about my RR. Back then I was always aim for 1 to 3, but of course the nature of the market, if you have higher RR, you have got a low win rate. That's why like I take losing trades a lot, and I don't believe in my strategy. So if you learning something new, take a 1 to 1 RR. Yeah, I used to be on Coach Aaron. You know, I used to use his strategy, but I just developed my own over time. Now I'm an order flow trader, but I learned a lot about psychological from Coach Aaron. Damn, we have 23 viewers in here. But dude, the market don't move. The hat. Control risk. 300. It's all good. So I was looking to make 1500. What the heck, sir? Don't trade on your fucking funded, Sugyo. This is not the best market to fucking trade funded right now, bro. Look at this shit. Dude, the whole squad in here for real, bro. 24 viewers. What the fuck? What the fuck is market doing? Yo, thanks, man. Thanks, Raphael. Yeah, can we have at least 20 likes? Come on. God damn it. Dude, I'm not addicted at all, but I'm just here chatting with y'all and just chilling my eval. I don't give a fuck if I blow this eval, bro. I just took 2K payout. Who give a fuck? On a 50K eval, come on now. Do I take like 6K this week? And last week 4K. This week 2K. Oh my god, fucking bottom take me out. And fucking rally. Come on now, Sergio. Dude, I buy too many eval. I don't wanna waste money. I have already have enough accounts. Fuck, bottom take me out. Just right here. And fucking rally. Come on now, y'all. I'm being real. Every fucking time. They being so real. Fuck, I want to take this again though. I'll see how 15 minutes candle do right here. Yeah, it's so funny. Like, literally to the tick. To the tick. Come on. Is my stop loss too tight? Ah. To the fucking tick. This is just noise in the market. You gotta know. But now I already got out. I'm not gonna get back in until I got good confirmation. I'm not trying to rush back into trades. Dude, every time I'm on stream, I get stopped out to the tick. Come on now. Yeah, price action is so shit right now. Coming back in. I'm mad. I'm mad. This market make me mad. I don't like that I get stopped out to the tick. Got a revenge. Got a revenge. We revenge. Shit. I don't usually do all of this shit and fund it. But we're having fun right now with the eval. Haha. Go up for me. Go up for daddy. Don't go down. Fucking shit. They don't move. Break the high. Do whatever you gotta do. Yeah, that's the best way to train Asia. We just got in and fucking just let it run. Dude, Asia used to be good. Like Asia on Go, like used to be like chef kish, you know? But now all the markets just sucked. Probably because it's December, you know? It's holiday. To the moon. Fuck, I make back my fucking 200 bucks. Keep going. Pass me the fucking account. Or nothing. Bro, this shit literally bottom ticked me out and now I don't have a good entry no more. Fucking shit, my entry was like right here. And then bottom ticked me out. Fuck. Sucks, y'all. Come on now. Market fucking watching me or some shit, bro. I'm just kidding. Not trying to be a hallucinator right here, bro. Ain't no one watching me, but that was just fucking so unfortunate, you know? Right, lesson learned, bro. No stop loss. No more stop loss right here. Come on. I'm gonna take your lesson, bro. What's up, Matt? I took the payout, bro. I'm sorry, Matt. But I just have to do it, bro. Like, I just want to get off this market, you know? I don't feel safe with my fund inside the market right now. I'm gonna take my fund off the personal also next week. I'm waiting for it to get clear, and I'll take it off. No stop loss challenge. Let's fucking go. Of course. No stop loss. We passed the account. Haha. Bro, I hate when the bottom tick me like that. Like, literally to the tick. If you look right here. Fucking to the tick. Come on now. 685. Oh my fucking god, bro. And rally up. I think I Bro, I'm not gonna fail my eval. I'm gonna pass it tonight for y'all. Just watch. Pass it tonight for y'all. Full TP hit right here. We good. That's it, right? It's not that hard. No, we had low volume note holding, you know. Maybe we have a retracement backup. Fuck, but don't go down now. We good, you know. This low volume note. Fucking, you can bottom tick right there. Absorptions on the book map. This looking good for it to reverse back up. Come on now. Yo, Rose. He blew his account, but he's back with fucking discipline. W Rose. You learning the way, bro. Keep that discipline up. Bro, but I feel like 150k account, bro, like, I don't know. It makes you valuable it more, bro. Like, it makes you want to lock in more, right, bros? We go up right here. Ain't no way we go down, right? If we go down, we blow. No stop loss challenge. Come on now. If we blow, we buy another account. No, bro. You know, blow a fund is fine, but he don't get tilt. That's the thing. That's really good. You know, he stepped, he got back in. He fucking being disciplined. That's a W. And then now if he passed that fucking account again, he gonna know what to do to not blow because he learned from his last account. His last account, you know. Hey Matt, check this out, Matt. Matt, Nick with the 150k account, Matt. Fuck at this price action. Come on now. I barely move. I'm in 2 minis and been here for like fucking 15 minutes and only up 200. During New York, bro, I would be a fucking 2k by now. Come on now. I make back my fucking loss right there. Why did I get bottom tick? If not, I'll be in profit by now, bro. What the fuck? Why did I get bottom tick? Dude, I'm not trying to pass it in 2 days, but I'm trying to run it 4,500 so I can pass it faster, you know? But shit, we do 15 minis, boys. Ah. Thanks for the sub, Sinister. Fucking just go up, bro. Pass me the fucking account. I need this candle. Hold on. I need this candle. No, this not the fun one. Which one is it? I forgot. Like, that was a really good gift. A meme on it, bro. Like, just fucking shoot up for me. What's good? What's good? Welcome to the stream. We're just chilling with our eval. I just took a payout and we're done with the funded for the rest of the year. But fuck. Imagine trading your funded in this price actions. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Matt, don't trade this shit. Fucking, I just make real quick money because it was you know, it was a key zone, you know, right up here. So I just take 2 minis real quick right here on this account. I take 10 micros on this account, just quick something at the low volume note, but that's it. And then I took a payout on this one. But I'm definitely not gonna trade my funded in this price action. The only reason why I take it it's because at the key zone, you know? This is my key zone right here. But fuck. What strategy should I use in this type of market, y'all? No stop loss strategy is the best way, right? No stop loss strategy. Damn, we have 30 viewers in here. Come on now. Yo, Matt, I'm sorry, bro, but I just have to take the payout, bro. I'm not gonna stream tomorrow. I took 2K off, so 90 split. It's gonna be 1.8. Yeah, I do trail profits. Yeah, absolutely. I gotta trail my profit. Bro, but I'm in 2 minis. This is barely anything for me to trail. Come on now, bro. Dude, Matt, because I feel like tomorrow in New York I might fucked up, you know? I just want to be done for the rest of the year, bro. Oh my god. I might get an entry right here at the bottom right where the absorption's at of 679 on this 150k account. Because it might come back to retest it before any bullish. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break for real. I love every one of my viewers. I believe in every one of you. I believe that if you buy a 50k account right now, fucking go in 5 minutes, you pass it right now, bro. I swear to God. Come on. I believe like every one of you here can make a fucking a million a month. Come on. Y'all gonna beat the GOAT. Do you guys believe in me? You guys love me. Say something nice. Because this market is not being nice to me. Y'all gotta say something nice to me. Come on. This market don't move. I don't care if I take a loss or not, but I hate when the market don't move. But of course, you see, I don't trade this, but I'm just here chatting with y'all. And we just have fun, you know. We gonna buy Topstep? Oh shit, bro. Oh my god. Fucking Rose about to hop on Shark Tank, bro. He's the #1 investor of fucking Topstep right here. Hell yeah, bro. I'm gonna get that blue Corvette too. I wanna buy a house first, so let's see how crypto doing today, because I'm investing in crypto also. The crypto is still consolidating. I don't care. I DCA in every day, like 40 bucks every day. Y'all need to get a Ledger fucking wallet. This is my wallet right now. I put in 40 bucks every day for the next 5 to 10 years. No fucking days off. Damn, bro. I'm gonna get like a fucking $1 billion house. You know, my house, you know, gonna be right next to Kanye West. Right next to fucking Jay-Z, you know? Right next to Donald Trump. Right next to whoever fucking people think of, bro. It's gonna be the fucking biggest mansion. Dude, my mansion can host a fucking like total of like 7 billion people, bro. I'm already done trading, Brandon. I'm just here trading. Uh, I'm just here having fun with the evals. Cause I just took pay on this one. You know, I'm done with the fucking funded. I top tick right here at my key zone. That's it. Lock everything out. But you know, we're doing a no stop loss challenge for everyone in here. Who want to see no stop loss challenge? Because I don't think it's gonna go down right here. Come on. Dude, Vic got a lot of baddies, bro. What you talking about, bro? The fuck? Dude. You know, we got the most beautiful fucking ladies in the world. Beautiful, most beautiful fucking girls. What should I do here, y'all? Fuck this shit. I'm gonna take profit. I don't care, bro. Just get me out, bro. Come on, look at how fucking low volume the market. Oh my god. Just get me out, bro. I'm gonna look for a better trade. A better entry. Fuck. I'll get out. Fuck that shit. Ooh. I might be able to take a quick scalp short on gold right here. If they fill me in right here before they create a bottom tape. Why am I fucking on micros? That was a good fill too for a quick 240 bucks profit. See? Fuck. Why am I on micro, bro? And that's this is the trick for y'all. If there's no bottom tick, there's a high chance gonna create bottom ticks. That's just a trick I see on every open of a candle. Predict news. Yeah, you can analyze like the volume profile, you know, to see like where news might go next. You know, where we at right now. But of course, like market gonna news is just a faster way to move the market. But of course, if you can predict it, news definitely can be predictable based on technical analysis. But it's gonna be so risky. I don't trade crypto at all. I only do spot on crypto investment. I don't trade crypto. I only do investment. Besides, crypto is too volatile. It's risky as fuck. If you do leverage trading, when I see 30 minutes candle close bearish like this, I gotta get out. Also, 4 hours candle. Got any gold tips? So gold, like, what do you want? Like, what tips do you want me to, you know, like how to trade it or what? Like any tips on how to like what's the movement in gold? What is what do you mean by like tips? Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all some secret sauce right here, alright? This is what gold love to do. If you mark out all the major high and low, this is I learned from Coach Aaron Topstep back then, but now I don't use it no more. But this is the simplest way to make a lot of money on gold. Now I just read volume. That's how I know like this is the bottom tick right here. I send all the analysis on my fucking, you know, chart breakdown right here. And but this is what you do right here. So basically you mark out all the swing high and low right here. So let's say you mark this out, mark this out, you know. So go usually, you know, let's say this is a trend line going down, right? We have a lot of swing high, hasn't taken out. We have, you know, and this is I see a lot more in gold than NQ. This is what I see. So, you know, this can be your target right here. And usually you don't try to catch the bottom and predict, okay, price gonna go up here to take out this. So let's say, you know, this is your resistance right now, above its support, right? What I would do to know for sure that market gonna go up and take out this high is go up above here, close above here, the resistance, and if we close above now, act as support, you know. Come back, retest, and you get entry up towards those high, you know. Or like you can just wait for price to get close to the high and then just take a quick trade, you know, like 300, you know, from here to here, 60 tick trade. 1 minute is $600. You know, so let's say right now we have this swing low, right? So right now, price is kind of in the middle between these two, you know, we have swing high and swing low, right? So what you do is like you wait to see which one market takes out first. So you can, this are like the ways like you can trade towards them, you know, wait for price to get close to them and trade towards them, or you wait for a liquidity sweep, like we sweep and then we close back bullish, you take the trade. But now I only trade volume. I'm an order flow trader now, but that's why you used to make money. But so basically you just trade from towards swing low and swing high. That's it. So right now we just in the middle, right? We don't know if we're gonna go down here or up there. So we wait. So let's say right here is smaller structure, right? We have support, we have resistance right here. Let's see which way they're gonna break out, you know? But like I might take a short right here though. Just a quick scalp maybe. Yo, we don't have a bottom tick on this candle yet. Bam, bro, get me in there, bro. Fucking why am I on micros again? Give me $500. I'll risk about like 400. Yeah, but I don't trade that strategy no more. Now I play volume profile, you know. But if you're new, I think that strategy is pretty simple for you to learn. But I'm a type of person who love to know exactly what's going on in the market. That's why I use volume profile. I want to see like who's taking control, is buyers or sellers taking control, who's where at the you know most of the volume trader and stuff like that, and not just like predictions. You know, I want to see like how price react to like levels like important volume levels. That's bookmap, but I'm streaming for my Discord people right now, and I'm watching. It's on my second monitor. I'm watching on second monitor right now. Like if you see right here, I'm streaming it for my people, so I cannot pull it on stream right now. Because people are trading right now too. Give me this quick for $80. That's a big buyers right here. Let's see. I might just take out right here. Oh shit. It's like that's a big buyers right here. I'm not sure if we're able to absorb all of these buyers. So I'm gonna just take out right here. I'll take it off. Just quick scalp, you know. That's what I do with the 50K account yesterday to get 4,500 base hit. You know, you be precise about your entry. Easy money. The market is slow right now, so I'm just trying to take quick trades right here. NQ, no trades for me yet. We still chop. I don't like to trade with chop. The reason why I take this trade because we don't chop. We go straight up to a key zone right here. I take the short right at the key zone. Let's take a quick trade because this is where previously on bookmap sellers brought price down. So and I see absorption of the buyers. That's why I hop in for a short. This bookmap, like if you see right here, so this is where previously sellers get in right here, you know, right here. And absorption of the buyer, you see a lot of buyers going in, but price doesn't move up. That's means someone with limit orders holding price right here, right? So I hop in a short and it's a key zone. You know, you see 27 orders right now waiting right here. So in orders for buyers to keep going up, they gotta push through all of these orders. Like let's say then a total of like 35, 40 orders to get above here, right? So you know, that's a good thing about order flow trading. It's like, you know, you take quick trades, but at the same time, it can be stressful sometimes if you just if you not willing to exit out of your trade and no stop loss and let it keep running, you know, because sometimes market be crazy. Damn, 41 people in the chat. Come on now, give me a line and a sub. Dude, I feel like Asia session like we got a lot of viewers even though the market is not even moving. Like what the fuck? Yo, one day this account gonna be live. I'm gonna be a live trader. I'm gonna try to get on Topstep TV for sure. Once I'm live, I'm gonna get on Topstep TV. Get some more people to know about me. I wanna help out everyone. No, chill, chill, chill. I didn't show nothing, bro. Okay, 28 orders at the 22. Let's see if like buyers able to push through right here. If not, I might get in for short right here. I'm gonna do it with the one mini instead. It's like buyers is pretty aggressive right now. Seems like they're about to break out, but let's see if they're able to break out over the 22 or not. If they do break over, 22, 30 orders. So there's 30 orders in the book. You know, they gotta be 30 market buyers to push through. So let's see if they're able to push through. But I think we're gonna have a retracement first. Ooh, 42 remove the orders. What you mean like all the way up there? What you mean 96.5? Like down here? I mean like that's I don't know, but 200, you know, I've sent in analysis, so this is gonna be your pivot point right here. I caught the huge short a couple days ago. I caught the top of GC, you know, and POCs, which is right at 200, so that's gonna be your pivot point. Above we buy, you know, so let's say we pull back to 200 and we hold above, you buy. But if we flush down, we come back retest, you go for a short. So 200 gonna be your pivot point of this whole trend right here. Is, you know, under we bearish, above we bullish right here. So You know, sometime gold might fake out, like get down here and then like pull back up above 200. So make sure you wait on the 4 hours candle and not smaller time frame. So on 4 hours candle, let's say we wick below and then we reclaim 200. It's still bullish. But if we fully close below, strong bearish with speed, it's bearish as fuck. And the trend might flip and we might go all the way down here, you know. So 200 is the key point right now. And we're just, what do you mean like what was worst trade? Worst trade? Do I have so many worst trade? What do you mean, man? Of course, everyone have their worst trade, and no one's can remember. So many fucking bad trades. Oh, I remember like a month ago when the market crashed, I lost 2.5k on personal account on NQ. Dude, it was so unfortunate. This crash right here, 2.5 cash. Fuck me. And I was up 1k for the day, then fucking lost 2500 after that crash. So if we get above like 24, no, 23.5 right here, I might exit pretty soon. So risk about like 150 bucks. I might want to get out right here soon. We're close pretty bullish right here. Let's see if we can pull up and get a better exit right here. Probably like, I'll take a 50 bucks loss, you know. Buyers does break through. Pull back up. Give me a 50 bucks fucking loss. Because reason why I don't want, I'm not gonna fucking like take the loss because we're approaching, you know, key zone right here, and I know it's gonna pull back. So, but probably it's not gonna get into profit, you know. So try to get 50 bucks loss instead of. This is why I only go in one mini. You gotta know when to go like good size and, you know, small size. Um, you know, because the reason why, as I said earlier, one mini because like buy is pretty strong right now, and I'm betting on like these buyers getting absorbed, but they're not. Pull back, get me out. Look at this fucking 1 hour chart. Who the fuck trade this? Only me, bro, on my eval. Fucking we tic-tac-toe, bro. What are we doing? We tic-tac-toe. Do I remember we used to DCA crazy, man? Dude, yeah, bro. Like, market been chopped lately. Asia, like, we don't have any good volume. Oh shit. Gold might not pull back. Just pull back. The reason why I'm willing to patient for a pullback right now, because I'm pretty small size in, and we're approaching like key zone. I'm not trying to panic and sell at the top, you know. Gotta be patient. But people would get panic and sell up here, especially when they're in big size, and then they get emotional when the chart pull back, and they be like, damn, I shouldn't wait for a pullback before I exit. But they're not thinking logical, like logically, like when they're in a big size, you know. That's why. Damn, we have 50 people on the stream. I'm probably gonna do a giveaways when I receive this payout for y'all right here. Dude, yeah, a lot of buyers. That's why I'm trying to exit right now, Benzu. I'm just trying to wait for a pullback right here. Yeah, Topstep and a like. No, I don't like to trade my funded in this price action at all. Definitely a lot of market buyers is pretty aggressive right now. I'm trying to exit. Just pull back a little bit. Pull back around right here. I'll take exit. But when I first get in right here, buyers were just like getting absorbed right here. That's why now they finally break out. You know, I just gotta know that I need to get out, but not at the top, of course. Pull back down a little bit. Just one fucking bearish candle. That's all I need. 51 people in the stream. Come on now. Oh my god, I feel like I don't get flopped during Asia session because I guess I'm Asia as fuck. During New York, I only get around fucking 15 viewers, bro. I guess a lot of fucking Asians active during Asia session, bro. We got pullback. Rip. Ah, yeah. No, but it makes sense. So we're approaching key zone. I'm expecting a pullback. I am even I take a loss, but I gotta take smart loss, not fucking at the top, bro. Absolutely not at the top. Not at the top. You know, you when you panic and you take stupid loss, like that's when you get tilt. So I'm not trying to take stupid loss right now because I know you could pull back right here. Unless I go so fucking bullish right now and push above here, then I'll take 500 loss, you know. So basically, I'm risking 200 for 200 right now. But goddamn, yes sir, join the Discord. Like we're just grinding up with no volume. What the fuck? Yo, if 30 minutes candle close like this, I need to get out. Holy shit. Buyers getting in right there. Get back around right here. Yeah, buyers pretty strong right now. I might just have to take a loss. Wow. Welcome to the stream. Let's see if I can get a quick rejection and I'll take a smaller loss. Dude, but we just vertical up basically on 1 minute chart. Wow. So buyers definitely really strong right now. Riding up. I'm gonna take a 350 bucks, 340. All right, I'll take 300 loss. That's good. I would pull back to the big buyers. That's a high chance this big buyer's gonna hold. I'll just take that loss. Fuck it. I'm not gonna try to be greedy. Take like 150 bucks loss. Can y'all hear me clearly? Check, check. Sorry, I put it to the max. Hey, that was a good exit right there. You know, I ain't trying to be greedy like with the fucking exit. Dude, that it's buy's definitely pretty strong right now. And I was in dentures right there, bro. So that was a good exit. I was a little bit greedy about my fucking like exit right there, but it's all good. I'm fine. It's just an eval. Dude, like I would fucking I usually don't give a fuck about the loss until unless it's more than 500 bucks on a funded on an eval more than a 1k. I usually don't get any type of emotions on eval. I'm just get already get to use it. Only on funded with more than 500 loss. Welcome to the stream, Bradley. But definitely like buyer's getting aggressive right here, so I ain't trying to short this no more, bro. Just where I short is like key point right there for sellers to hold. You know, now like buyers just fucking step in, like look at the CVD just going up crazy. So they might as well fucking break out of this range, and go up towards this range. Be patient. 56 people on the stream. Come on now. Come on now. Dude, I thought I got flop. But dude, 56 people on stream. Thank you so much for the support. This means a lot to me, to be honest. I'm definitely gonna stream Asia more, even though like the price don't move. But during New York, it's just like I don't have that many viewers, and also during Asia, like market moves slow, so we can talk. Shit, y'all can hear shit. Let me check on my phone. What? I I can hear myself. Yo, chat. Can y'all hear me? Yeah. I think it's you, Green. Everyone else is fine. On my phone is fine. Fucking NQ just at the same spot. But for Go, definitely I'm gonna wait for a breakout before I go in along. I ain't trying to predict like we're gonna break out. I'm gonna wait for a breakout with volume, and then I'll wait retracement. Up right onto that. So we put patient right here, wait for the breakout. I ain't trying to fucking get in long right here and then in reverse. Fucking shit, bro. You would top ticket. Being a lot of fucking drawdown. Rather wait for it to pull back above right here. Come back retest. Or so, you know, if this is a lot of imbalance price, definitely my pullback here to retest. $30 candle, close strongly bullish. Let's check on NQ. NQ is holding this key zone right here. I'm still interested in NQ long though. Volume picking up. Buyers trying to break out right now. Let's see though. Breakout above right here. Yeah, entry. I'm gonna wait for it to get above here again first. Then I'm gonna hop in along. Not then like we might flush down towards here. NQ definitely chop. Any one of y'all in a trade right now, cause I definitely this market is not ideal to trade, cause we still in branches. We're not, you know, we're in a balanced market right now. We're not moving out of value. I don't know when the market gonna move. I feel like it's gonna take forever for me to take a trade. I don't know, like we could break out right here or we could reverse. I don't know. So I'm waiting to see. If we break out, I might take a long. But buy is definitely aggressive right now. I wouldn't try to short trade into this all of these buyers right here. Unless I see sellers show up. But dude, like all you see is green bubbles. How are you fucking trying to short into all of this big guys? Dude. Alright, seems I keep breaking out. You guys can't hear me? Hello? Check. Check. Can you guys hear me better? Better? Alright, let's see if we break out right here on NQ. I'll take a little risk right here. Anticipate the breakout. I'll just go in market orders. So a little bit of risk right here because I got in before it even break out. So let's see. What? That's weird. Maybe I'll have to fix my mic tomorrow. I'll check up my mic tomorrow for sure. We break out right here on NQ. Come on. But y'all hear me better now, right? Much better? Dude, just break above 700, we good. Imagine trading funded accounts in this price action, you get till as fuck. Can y'all hear me better now? Way much better? Or not? Yeah, just want to make sure, man. Come on, give me a breakout, NQ. I don't like chops. What do you mean like I have multiple symbol? Dude. Yeah, I'm done with my funded Mugi. Like, fuck, bro. I would get till on my funded in this type of price action. Look, I'm on my eval and already down 386 because like fucking price action is insane right now. Oh my god, come on. Just break out, give me some volume. This looking like break out, like, you know, we holding, we pull back with fucking volume. With good looking candle volume. Just give me the fucking breakout. 60 people in the chat. Come on now. Welcome everyone to the chat. Come on, NQ, give me some W trade for the chat. You know, this low volume note was holding. So this might be a continuation trade back up. Let's see though. I'll keep trolling though. Because yesterday, it's definitely be bearish as fuck. I took a short earlier up here on my funded and call it a day down here. But, you know. Oh, so basically you click here and you click on the stars. You know. Oh my god, NQ chops. It's unreal. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem at all. Damn, bro. What happened? What happened, Ray? What happened between your country and Thailand? God. And keep it pull up, break out. I mean, like, I can be on the chart without getting bored, but like, definitely, I don't want to be on the chart for hours, cause I get exhausted. So usually, like, I'll just take most of the days I trade like 2 hours, 3 hours, and done for the days. I mean, like most of the time, I don't stay at the chart. I get in the trend. It takes a while to hit TP too, so Um, yeah, like I only take 1, 2 trades a day, take profit and done for the day, and I do other things in my life. I don't trade 24/7. Damn, bro, border tension. Shit, that's tough. They wanna take your a part of your country, bro. Like, what happened at the border? Do I really want to get out of this NQ trade? You know, low volume give me a really basically I don't have I don't know if it's gonna go up or down right here. No convictions at all. But definitely like I prefer long right now because this hole, the low volume nose hole holding. But damn, damn, bro, over a temple. The fuck? What's up, man? My God, chop again. Bro, just pull up. Who wanna see the payout? Nah, bro, I already show it. Yeah, trading is definitely an individual journey, and it's hard because you're your own boss. Like no one can tell you to do shit. That's why like it's easy to break your rules. You know, it's hard. But let's say if you trade at a firm, this boss tell you to not do this, do that. You know. But if you're a retail trader, you own your own, and you're your own rules. You know, it's tough. My God, solid step in. Come on, pull up. Ooh, some good buy contracts got in right here. This might be the breakout. Some short got in, and then like some big guy just bought in a huge contract right here. Let's see. But there's definitely a low volume. It's not huge because it's Asia, but it's definitely huge for Asia. The fuck? Break out, break out. Just get above here, and volume gonna pick up. We run towards here. Yeah, because like if you trade with the firm, they'll monitor over you, you know. So they'll make sure you do things correct way. You know, they have a procedure for traders. You know, to train you. But if you're your own trader, like you don't know if you're going towards the right path or you know, like when you do wrong things, you and you are not and you don't know it's wrong, bro. And you keep doing it, you know. It's paying. It's paying. Cause like you trying to see real market data. So Bookmap alone, it's like $50 a month for a regular subscriptions like global plus market data, which is 34 each for Comax is for gold and sub is 34. CME is another $34 for NQES. But if you want to see orders in the market, you gotta pay. Or you can, if you're able to read the DOM, you can buy the level 2 data on Topstep. It's basically like bookmap, but it's in numbers, you know. But bookmap help you recognize pattern way quicker because like you visualize the bubbles, the heat map, not you faster with that than the numbers. Yeah, I do use Trazilla for my personal account. Or TraderVay accounts also. Because TraderVay is my broker. I trade my personal account is on TraderVay. And some of the firms I trade using TraderVay account too. But level 2 data definitely helpful. But damn, Matt, what the heck is this market? Should we just wait for the breakout to happen before I get in to avoid this shot? Damn, bro, I don't want to be in the trade. Dude, I hate the chop so much. This is why I say after today's payout, I'm gonna take a break until the end of December. You know? Yeah, like it takes a lot of time to learn it too. Rip people who trying to like, go long here, you know, say it's a consolidated market. It's a tough market to trade. 70 people, 74 people in the chat. Let's fucking go. But market's just chop, straight up chop. You know, I'm feel lucky that like as soon as market open, we're at a key zone for me to capitalize some money on my XFA, you know. But otherwise, I wouldn't be able to make profit today, you know. Oh my god, where's my this is futures, so futures. It's basically stocks but futures. What do you mean like what kind of shampoo I use, man? Just use whatever. I don't have a brand. Oh hell no, this shop. See if I can mix. Yo, I'm not trying to be an NQ. The fuck? Forgot to add the link. Oh my god, I missed that long. That was a good long. I streamed Tuesday to Thursday New York session, but today's exception because tomorrow morning I'm probably not gonna trade. Dude, that was gonna be a quick like $150. But I'm probably think it's gonna pull back up here, so trying to make 400. But dude, you know, fucked up. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub, man. It's so hard to pass an account when the market has no volume. Block. Because usually during New York, I pass them quick. I might as well take base hit. You know, stack up small profit again. Oh my god, no volume. Dude, what the fuck is market doing? It's literally right there. It won't take me out. I need to take small profit in to recover a little bit right here because I'm trying to pass this. Let's see. Capitalize on NQ. Back to 570. You know, in a low volume like this, I need to take quick profit now. I'm not revenge trading. It's just an eval. Come on now. I'm just trying to pass it same day right here. Like EA trading, I don't think like bot can replace human because basically most of the movement in the market is just based on human emotions, you know. So I don't think AI gonna replace that. If you know, if AI replaced, that would be no more retail traders like us. How the bank and institutions gonna make money? If like player knows that like okay now they're using AI, we're not gonna win. Then no more fucking retail trader, you know. Yes, I'm revenge trading right now, y'all. Let's revenge this shit. Revenge this shit. We pass it right here. Five con? Nah, not five con, dude. Not five con, dude. Five con in this low volume? Hell no. As soon as I get in, I should be down like 250 right away. If I go and market buy five con. Oh, might try long again after this 5 minutes candle close. I'm gonna go smaller size. Cause dude, this market is sharp crazy. Big size. I need a good stop loss. Might try again. Just looking good. No. Yeah, I gotta flip to our chart, you know. I'm waiting for this five to close real quick. To confirm, you know, buyers actually in and sellers kind of exhaust right here. If candle close like this, you know, sellers not able to take price down again. All right, I'm getting one right here. Fuck it. No, guys, side sign when I know like market is shop right here, because we might not break out again. Come on, give me a breakout. Am I good at basketball? No, I'm not good at basketball. I'm good at skateboarding though. I used to be a skateboarder. I used to go insane. Come on, breakout NQ. 30 minutes, 3 minutes until all of this candle close. So I think we might break out on the next candle towards the upsides right here. Look at this chop. Oh my god. That's kind of dumb. Yeah, I'm just trading what I see right now, man. It was fine, you know, like I'm willing to take the loss. It's fine. You know, short and long both can make money. If you believe it's short, then short it, you know? But I do believe in long right now. So let's see. If not, then I'll take a loss. It's just an eval account. It's all good, y'all. We have fun in here. Come on now. You know, as long as I take payout every month, every week, I'm good. I'm good for the goal. So I'm profit on my funded every day. I'm good. Come on now. I'm good. I don't care about the long and short. I just care if I make money or not. You know? I just care like fucking as long I'm green, I'm good. You know, like you can take short and you make money, take long, make money, who cares? It depends. You know? Everyone have different perspective. That's why market moving up and down. If everyone's just saying, okay, I'm short, then like how the market gonna, you know, who's gonna make money, who's gonna lose money, you know? So if you long, if you short right now and I lose the trade, you make money, right? So you make money off of me, you know? What do you mean? Like you don't know people who can trade VWAP and crazy viewing the market like this? I am an order flow trader, and these are just the tools for me to get bias for the day, which is EMA. You know, we trying to hold EMA right here. That's a long signal, but usually I would use order flow to help me out also. And volume profile chart is what I use for key zones. Dude, I want to get in another one. If we break out this high, then try my stop loss up. Thanks, man. Yeah, but EMA VWAP it's just like a tool for me to navigate the market. But I would usually I read volume in the market, use volume profile, you know. Break this high, I'm gonna add in another one and try my stop loss up. See if we're gonna have a breakout right here. Yeah, order flow, you got paid to use it. Yeah, so basically I read market orders in the market to make decisions for my trades. So I don't use EMA alone. I use other tools too, like volume profile. So right here we have a low volume node. You know, we're holding that, which is a good signal for continuations. Maybe come back up here, retest, you know, before any other downsides. This telling me that buyers, the big buyers got in right here, that, you know, imbalance right here, they're defending their positions. And market is just holding above that. The more time, like, the market spend time, let's say right here is holding, the more time it's holding, the higher chance it's gonna flip back up. Let's see though. Yeah, still zero price actions. Dude, this is Africa sash for real, bro. It's in no fucking Asia, bro. The fuck? Yeah, man, like all the strategy is just the same. It's just your mindset in trading. That's what make you profitable. I don't give a fuck about anyone's strategy. All I care is like if they able to be disciplined, consistent or not. You know? Even if you have a bad strategy, that can still fix. But if you have a really, if you have a bad mindset, bro, that's hard to fix. You know? It's not about strategy, y'all. But this strategy is what makes sense to me. That's why I use it. But many people, like let's say ICT makes sense to you, then you use it, you know? Yeah, I'm in buy right now, Jose. I'm done with my funded, Jose. I'm taking a break on my funded, Jose. I'm just chilling on my evals. Trying to pass this two evals right here. So I blew two from last week price actions. But I didn't have much drawdown though, because I took a payout from it and I only have 1K drawdown. So it was kinda tough to save the account, especially in consolidated market like this. Dude, I don't know why so many people watching right now when the market is not moving. But during New York, bro, I be getting like fucking 15 viewers, bro. And then during New York, I always take good trades. But like, cause I there's volume, of course, but there's just no viewers, bro. Like 15 people to 20 people average. But dude, Asia don't move and trades are not good. People just get in, bro. All right, I'll see you, man. The heck? Why don't I trade gold? Cause I'm on NQ right now. But yeah, I do trade gold. Oh shit, no top tick. No top tick, y'all. Shit, we might have to help out NQ right here. And fucking bet on gold right here. No top tick on gold. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel this. We're on gold. It's like 1 hour candle has no top wick. It's gonna flip up. So we're gonna hop on this. Let's see buyer's gonna hold right here or not. But no top wick, that's already a good sign, you know. This creating a top wick. Pretty good sign. Try and make 600. I like cats or dogs better. Definitely dogs, dude. I mean, I like both. Flip back up, create a top wick right here. No top wick on gold. Fuck, I hate this market. Consolidate like this. After a couple more trades, if the if the market still don't move, I'ma just hop off. Cause I don't like to waste my time trading in this market. It's not just time, it's money too, you know? It's both. Why would you waste your time in this market, you know? 84 people in the chat. Come on now. Oh my god. You don't want to waste time in this market. I'm gonna just take a base hit, 360 bucks right here. When this candle flip, take some base hit for a top wick right here. Yeah, bro. Like, dude, don't trade. As I say, like after today payouts, you know, I'm done for the rest of the month. No trading on personal, no trading on funded. I don't want to deal with all of this price action, you know. I'd rather save my time, do other things, and come back when the market is better, you know. Why would I waste my time like staring at the chart and blow my account? Poop up for a top wick right here. My god, market. It's nasty. Dude, look at this candle just fucking freeze. Come on now. Move this down a little bit just in case. Because I don't trust this market. One extra tick. Yeah, I'm trading the chop. Trading the chop. I'm getting off soon though. Yeah, I don't like trade the chop, but you know, just because of you guys, I'm trading this eval on the chop. You know, I cannot just sit here and do nothing. But after this trade, I think I'm gonna get off. Not gonna lie, I don't like wasting time in this market. You know, but it's gonna hit right here for sure. Unless I'm so unfortunate. Look at this. Look at this price action. Candle freeze. I'm gonna take that right there. We're back to 360 bucks. I don't trust it like to hold full TP. Like, dude, this market is just that insane. Yeah, gotta call it a night. I call it a night on my funded. It's just like I'm revenge on my combine right now. I'm revenging a little bit right here. Market's chop, but I'm back down. That was a good trade, you know, a good exploit right there. When you see candle with no top wick, it's gonna pull up to create a top wick. It's fine, it's fine. As I say, the market is chop. I'm not trying to hold it all the way up here. I don't know how the market moving, bro. It's basically chopping. Like, I don't have convictions in holding the trades for that long. Yo, what's up, Pang? I'm gonna hop on GTA soon, but let me finish this stream real quick. You know, like, yeah, I know it could go up more, but I just don't trust it. Dude, it's a chop market, bro. Straight up. You know, trading in chop market already bad, you know, but holding trades you look for home run in the chop market is even more insane. This market not gonna move. You know? So there's not a lot going on in the market, and we've been streaming for like, I think, how many hours? 2 hours so far. Yeah, 2 hours. I'm gonna get off right here. And yeah, man, hop on my Discord too, you know. We're like real trader, real result, you know. We really transparency about our journey, you know. We post everything up here, you know. And it's a good day for me to take a 2K payout, and up on this two account. And I wasn't trading in the chop. The only reason how I fucking make profit is because we were at a key zone at NQ right here. So I took a short top tick right here, you know. It's a low volume note. And took profit around right here. But of course, if I trade in the chop with my funded right now, I would blow that. So make sure you guys don't trade in the chop. Be patient. You know, if the chop going to exhaust your mind because you know you're gonna get ping pong and you think, okay, this time it's gonna be a breakout, just like how I did earlier. Like this time it's gonna be a breakout, but in reality, sometimes it's my chop for a real long times, and you might just take long short, and then at one point you just blow your account. You know, so just be careful with that because it's really dangerous on your mind. You're gonna get tilt really badly if you do that. But I'll get off right here. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening. All right. Hope you guys have a good trading session too. But I don't think anyone's trading